All right, you guys, so I'm at my sister's house. I had her uncover these yesterday and I totally forgot to have her recover them. So I guess we're gonna have to see what's going to happen to this. The kale and everything looks good, but the spinach, scary. Scary, scary, scary. Now the broccoli in front, I'm going to show you guys that too, but I'm afraid I don't know what's going to happen to this. This is what the broccoli is looking like. So I'm scared of what's going to happen to it because I told her to unzip my greenhouse. She took the whole greenhouse off, you guys, like the plastic. So we'll see what happens. I'm scared. I am scared. I am scared. Well, you guys, that's all I have for today. You guys, that's done. Thank you so very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.